Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm here to present you with this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 2.0 TDI 150PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in a metallic Atlantic blue paintwork with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the stylish 20-inch Misano black diamond turned alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and has automated activation. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, the Allspace offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. The boot also features two folded seats, which can be adjusted to allow 2 additional passengers. This is perfect for larger families or groups. Into your rear seating and you'll see the interior has the lovely Vienna leather upholstery which features a folding central armrest and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you've got vent controls and USB port. Coming into the cabin and you'll find the front sports seats with electronic adjustment that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as storage inside the adjustable armrest, cup holders and a wireless phone charging station. The multi-function steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include telephone, vehicle status, drive data, assist systems and navigation. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available, furthering device connectivity. You can check the status of your vehicle and any settings available. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant activates the car's built-in IQ Drive safety features. Sound allows you to customize your speaker's equalizer settings and position of audio output. Beneath the display you'll find the car's 3-zone electric climate control system with heated front seat capabilities. Driver profile selection is also available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. The Tiguan is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors, allowing you to park it with ease. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, reading lights and controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.